Attention to all network marketers, direct sellers, leaders, techie ka man or hindi. This video is for you. Make sure to finish this until the end because this will guarantee you to get you the results that you want when it comes to your income team or downlines. And if gusto mo malaman kung paano mo nga ba magamit yung AI, yung automation sa network marketing business mo kahit na hindi ka pa techie, kahit na bago ka pa lang or matagal ka na sa negosyo. And this is for every network marketing, kahit ano pa yung product mo, ano pa yung complan mo, saan ka pa nang galing, no? I know that this would definitely for you. Okay? And if you're asking if talagang worth it pa to ng time mo, ito ba yung desires mo? Gusto mo ba na meron kang sistema, hindi ka mahirapan sa pag-prospect at pag invite yung hindi ka nagmumukhang desperado. Diba? Yung nahihit mo yung mga company incentive mo, yung rank mo, gusto mong kumita ka araw-araw ng consistent until such time na pwede ka na makapag full-time. Gusto mo magkaroon ka ng long-term income dito, ng passive income, right? Na hindi mo kailangan i-sacrifice yung time mo, sa family mo, at sa mga bagay na gusto mo, right? And gusto mo rin makatulong sa ibang tao, gusto mo magkaroon ng impact or legacy para sa pamilya mo because you see the long term here sa network marketing. Kaya lang, ito yung mga challenges mo. Right now, nahihirapan ka mag-prospect at mag-invite. Nagre-rely ka lang sa traditional, sa mano-mano, sa kakilala mo, kaibigan mo, palagi kang nare-reject sa negosyo mo. Or di kaya you have already tried exploring kung paano nga ba matuto sa online, paano ka nga ba paano mo mas mapabilis yung growth mo, yung resulta mo, nagre-rely ka lang din sa upline mo or sa mentors mo, or di kaya pagod ka na sa tradisyonal na pamamaraan ng pag-network na ikaw ay naghahabol, ikaw yung may kailangan, at gusto mo this time around na mas ma-build yung confidence mo, kumita ka the smarter way, and alam mo yung power ng automation, ng technology, ng AI, na once i-apply mo yun sa business mo, definitely magkakaroon ka ng resulta. Kaya lang, hindi mo alam kung paano, right? So lahat ng yan, if you answered yes and you can relate sa mga sinabi ko, then again, this video is for you. Kasi ang goal ko dito, I'm gonna give you clarity on what's keeping you stuck. I'm also gonna give you or provide to you real solutions na pwede mo ma-apply sa negosyo mo. And I will show you how to do network marketing the smartest way through AI and automation. Yun po yung goal ko dito. And by the end of this video, you will have the opportunity to book a one-on-one business consultation call with me so that I will be able to do this for you and your business. So, sino ba ako para dapat mo akong pakinggan? Ako nga pala si Mabel Puntelon. I'm the founder of the Automated Networker. For the past 3 years, meron akong program. I have over 2,000 students, iba't ibang companies, iba't ibang networkers, more than 15 millionaires in my program. Iba't iba yung produkto nila at ginagamit ko lahat ng strategies na tinuturo ko and multiple six-figure earners. And I'm also a network marketer like you na lahat po nang share ko sa inyo, this is not out of theory, but based on actual result na nagawa ko mismo sa negosyo ko. I've been in the business for the past 7 years. I've been in the digital marketing world, specifically sa network marketing. May experience po tayo, no, when it comes to coaching and applying it to my business. I also run my own digital marketing agency. So dito po, meron po tayong expert knowledge when it comes to digital marketing, specifically to our industry. So example po ito, the last 6 months result, one of the highlights is nagkaroon po tayo ng 4.8 million accumulated results in just 6 months time using AI and automation. And right now, I'm gonna walk you through how I did it. And ang kagandahan dito is that it will give you the shortcut dito pa lang sa malalaman mo kasi you can do trial and error. Diba? Pwede ka pang mag-research ng iba't ibang pamamaraan. Maraming ways paano ka nga ba makapag-advertise online, TikTok, YouTube, social media, or you can hire other people. But I'm gonna be showing you my specific best practices. Disclaimer, ito po yung ginagamit ko at the mga students ko, and maybe it can be really helpful for you. But this will be just a quick video and I'm gonna be showing you a big picture of this that you can still apply and you can dive in deeper sa one-on-one call ko. Okay? And take note lang, lahat ng mga challenges mo right now, I've experienced it. I've experienced being a newbie, burned out networker, frustrated, overwhelmed, at try na nakapag-build na rin po tayo ng malaking grupo. And I'm one of the youngest na rank holders ng company namin sa isang mataas na rank. That's why I know and I have been in your shoes whatever you are faced right now. Kasi totoo lang, lahat ng mga problems natin or mga challenges natin, dito po yan umiikot when it comes to our sales process. Alam naman natin, para kumita ka dito or yung downlines mo, ito lahat yung gagawin natin, di ba? Prospecting, inviting, presenting, closing, follow-up, and duplicating downlines, right? And dito po, when it comes to network marketing, yung usual na tinuturo sa atin ng mga appliance mentors and company natin, yung traditional or mano-manong paraan. But what if I can show you a smarter and more effective way on how you can automate this? And I'm gonna be sharing to you my method. Kasi po, dito po, pag dito ka magre-rely, you will totally be burned out. Or di kaya, that's the reason why marami po yung nag-quit. Kasi prospecting and inviting pa lang, nahihirapan na. Very manual, very outdated, very tiring, naubos yung oras mo, hindi mo ma-manage. Di ba, let's say nag-work ka pa, part-time mo pa lang itong ginagawa, ang hirap magka-resulta and very slow. That's why I came up with a solution. And yung solution ko for that is automation. Using automation in all my processes, prospecting, inviting, presenting, closing, follow-up. And you don't need to be techie in order for you to apply this. Ang kagandahan dito, could save time, improve productivity, reduce errors, create more opportunities for you, and grabe po, you will have so much time that you can focus on closing, mentoring, building relationships, and mas mabilis mo makuha yung time and financial freedom na gusto mo. So right now, I'm gonna be giving you a shortcut on how I do this. So when it comes to prospecting and inviting, I use what I call Facebook advertising. So ito po yung strategy na ginagawa ko because it incorporates AI and automation. So ito po yung pinaka-mura at effective way of marketing your products online. So dito, ito po yung hack ko. And ito po, pwede mo ito ma-search after or book a one-on-one call with me so that I can go through paano mo ito gagawin for your business. The moment that I implemented this for my business, instead of investing in flyers, tarpaulin, gumastos sa labas, di ba, mag-spend ng pera sa mga taong ikaw naman naghahabol. The moment I use this for my business for the past 7 years, hindi na po ako naghahabol ng prospects, hindi na po ako nagbaba ng manong invite. Facebook shows it to the people na naghahanap ng produkto, naghahanap na ng opportunity, kasi meron pong ganong power yung Facebook advertising. Yan po yung AI and automation niya. So dito po, ito rin po yung ina-apply ng mga students ko. That's why nakakabenta sila 8 units in 3 days. Yung team ko, ito rin po yung ginagawa para po makabenta ng products nila. And sa mga students ko, nag-advertise siya for 25,000 pesos sa Facebook ads. Kumita po siya ng 270,000. So that's what I do to automate po my prospecting and inviting. And that is a very wide topic actually. But again, this is just to give you a bigger picture. When it comes to presenting and closing right now, instead of me doing it manually, face-to-face or traditional, I save hours and hours daily, 5 to 10 hours daily. And ako po ngayon, may sistema ako when it comes to prospecting, and may sistema rin po ako when it comes to presenting. So ang aking ginagawa na lang po ngayon is that I focus on closing the deal. So how do I do that? I have an automated presentation. So dito, na-automate ko yung presentation ko. I only talk to people who are ready at willing po na gawin yung negosyo or bumili ng product. So ang gandaan po dito, when I implemented this for my business, ito po yung naging result po natin. And I accumulated millions of sales every month. And ikaw ngayon, nakikita mo tong video na to, hindi to live, di ba? Pero napapanood mo to. So ito yung tinatawag nating automated presentation. Alright? And when it comes to follow-up po, pati yung pag-follow-up na automate po, nagagamit ko yung chatbot, ito po yung mga chatbot na ginagamit ko. Pag gusto kong mag-conduct ng live presentation ng maramihan, I can easily send it to 10 people, 20 people, 100, 800, 8,000 people in just a click. So, hindi na po ako naghahabol ng mga ino-follow up ko. And again, I only talk to people who are interested. And last but not the least, also, when it comes to duplication, I even automated it. Kasi the moment na ikaw, nagkaroon ka na ng sistema, marami na nag-join sa'yo, this has been totally a game changer for my business. And hindi po ito tinuturo sa labas. Okay? Dito po, even the way I train my downlines, the moment kasi na meron kang paulit-ulit na ginagawa, pwede mo kasing ma-automate yun. Again, it can save you tons of hours every day, hundreds of hours every month, diba? And every year. So, ang kagandahan dito, I can focus on mentoring and building relationships at walang downline na mapapabayaan, right? So, dito po what I did is I structured, ginawan ko ng hub or membership area yung downlines ko, yung team ko. And ako po, the moment na ako yung mag-set up ng lahat-lahat ng to, 190,000 po yung costings do'n. The moment po ako yung gagawa nun kasi yun po yung offer ko sa agency. Pero what's best about this is that later on you will discover kung paano mo 'to magagawa on your own. You have a coaching program or di kaya you want other people to do it for you. So dito po ako sobrang game changer po ito and then because of this, you can duplicate massively if ikaw may team ka na, may downlines ka na, and dito mo ma-achieve yung talagang, passive income na gusto mo because this is where you build your team na, 'di ba? And it frees up most of your time, alright? So yan po yung automation, ganyan ko po ino-automate yung buong sales process ko. That's why right now, from prospecting to inviting, ginagawa po yun ng Facebook ads, sa presentation po, either may chatbot po ako or di kaya may automated presentation ako. Ang goal mo na lang ngayon, makapag-convert ka ng client at may income ka. Then, sasalpak niyo po sa duplication system niyo. Again, hindi po yun mahirap pag you are guided the right way and meron ka pong tamang step-by-step na plan for that. And dito po, kagandahan ngayon is that meron pong AI or artificial intelligence that will help you make your contents, make your captions, make your posts, and meron po akong tinatawag na AI-powered life because AI has been truly a game changer for my business. But basically, pag networker ka, direct seller ka, ang makaganda dito, dapat alam mo kung paano siya ma-maximize sa network marketing business mo. And I believe that is something that yun din po yung nai-impart ko sa mga students ko. So, like, does this really work, Coach Mabel, yung mga sinasabi mo? Baka ikaw lang yung nakakagawa yan. So, here are my testimonials po of my students here. Ayan po, isang part-timer, mommy, si Miss Maricel. Sabi niya, ito po yung dashboard niya, ng income niya. Sabi niya, grabe coach, di ko inaasahan na ganito kabilis from nothing to something. And then, naging top 1 po siya sa team nila. Di ba? Na-recognize siya sa buong company. Ito po si Mark Nile, newbie. Wala po siya idea sa automation, online marketing. In 6 months time, nung naturuan ko siya, naging part po siya ng program ko. Kumita po siya ng 1M in 6 months time. Si Elijah, nung nakilala ko po siya, wala pa po siyang halos direct. After po na maaral lahat ng mga strategies na tinuturo ko, kumita po siya ng 300,000 in 2 months time. Naging millionaire circle. After 3 years po, 3 million circle na po siya. Right now, most probably pa 5M na po siya. Ito naman si Miggy, 30,000 to 35,000 per week. And proud student po ng program na meron ako. And he's already earning more than 2 million po as of this moment. Ito naman po si Jade, isa sa mga students ko rin sa program and one of my downlines din. And kumita naman po siya ng more than 1 million income sa system alone. Sobrang dami po tayong actually testimonial, but I want to keep this video short kasi baka mahaba na right now. And this is something na, tandaan niyo po, iba't ibang company po yun lahat. Iba-iba yung product nila, iba-iba yung complan nila. But because yung sinishare ko po kasi dito na strategy and experience is a 7 years expertise, knowledge, wisdom na millions po yung naging trial and error ko doon personally. Kasi wala naman po talaga nagtuturo sa atin specifically sa network marketing, no, with regard to digital marketing. That's why sabi ko, if wala, ako na lang po yung gagawa. That's why I have my own program that has been established since 2022. Okay? So yan po yung mga students natin and a lot right now are earning 6 digits every month. Okay? So ngayon, based on all the knowledge that you have, like that you have right now, you learned na yung prospecting and inviting, you can do Facebook ads, pwede mo ma-automate yung presentation mo, pwede mo ma-automate yung follow-up mo, pwede mo ma-automate yung duplication mo. Here are the ways kung paano ka makapag-take action. Number 1, do it your own. Number two, done with you. Meron akong coaching program. And number three, done for you. Pwede ka mag-hire. So if you do it your own, you can search sa Google, sa YouTube, paano mag-Facebook ads, paano mag-set up ng landing page, paano mag-set up ng chatbot, paano ka makapag-set up ng portal mo. Subukan mo kung ano yung gagana sa'yo. Basically, you will do trial and error, but it will work if you spend like months or years to it. Kailangan maging matyaga ka at magkaroon ka ng perseverance. And may time ka talaga. Pero if you're someone na ganyan, push mo siya. But if you're someone that you want to save more time, have an expert guide you, then you can opt in for mentoring and coaching. So marami pong mga digital marketing coaches or courses din online. I also have mine, which is, yan, you can work with someone like me. May mga coaches din po kami. And ito rin po yung ino-offer ko, which is the Automated Networker Program. I just want to be transparent here and pakita ko lang. Yung program ko po is at 24,990. So what I did, yung lahat ng processes ko, nirecord ko siya, ginawa ko siyang program. Instead of paying me 200K to set up your processes, your automation, what I did, I recorded it, I made it into a program instead of paying 200K or 6 digits, 24,990 na lang. And then, ang kagandahan dyan, sa'yo yung skills, sa'yo yung knowledge, coach ka pa namin. So, yan po yung Automated Networker Program. If you want more details about that, you can inquire naman. Pero, if ikaw, no, you want to be able na ikaw yung type ng tao na you want na may gagawa na yan for you, you can hire other experts. Pwede po kayo maghanap sa online. May mga digital marketing agencies po. So to give you an idea, ito po yung mga price nila. Magbabayad ka lang po dito monthly, 20K, 30K per month, 40K per month. Yung iba po, like hundreds of thousands. Yan po. Sa online jobs PH ko po to na screenshot. So yan po yung yung mga price list po nila. And pag capable ka naman at ayaw mo na mag-aral, mag-isip, then you can hire. And we also have services na in-offer for this one. Minimum 30,000 po yung setup natin. Okay? So again, importante dyan, makapag-take action ka at magawa mo siya kasi sayang. This is a gold mine of opportunity that is waiting for you. And this is, kailangan mo kasi i-market yung business mo. Kailangan mo i-level up for you to have growth, for you to have more income. Now, coach, despite of everything, what if hindi ko alam kung ano yung iti-take ko dyan, pero gusto ko talagang magka-resulta. On this end, if ikaw confused ka or hindi mo alam kung paano, this is my best recommendation for you. You can book a one-on-one business consultation with me. And ito yung pinaka-best kung hindi mo alam paano talaga makapag-take action and you still want to talk with me or one of my team or coaches where we will assess where you are right now, ano yung nagba-block ng growth mo, and ano yung specific moves that will get you results faster and smarter. Ang kagandahan dito, this will be tailor-fit para sa iyo, customized po siya, and you'll be able to pinpoint ano yung struggles mo, ano yung challenges mo, ano yung solution mo, and this could save you hundreds of thousands and hours and trial and error. So the moment po na mag-book ka ng one-on-one business consultation with me or one of my coaches sa program po, you will have a personalized roadmap and action plan. May specific strategy ka na mag-fit sa negosyo mo, sa product mo, sa plan mo, and skill level. So hindi ka na maghuhula pa. Grabe po itong shortcut na to. Okay? And then, magkakaroon ka ng call recording so that you can repeat or replay the session. And itong one-on-one po natin, this will last for 60 minutes lang. So ito po yung total na makukuha nyo, 60 minutes one-on-one, value is 5,000 per hour, personalized roadmap, and call recording, total value of 15,589 pesos. But here's the good news, hindi mo kailangan magbayad ng 15,000, not even 10,000, not even 5,000 pesos kahit na sobra-sobra yung value na makukuha mo. Okay? Right now, the moment that you are seeing this will be only available the moment na hindi mo itong closing video na to and mag-process ka. Sa baba po, may button ka makikita, i-click mo yan at makapag-secure ka ng slot mo. Because right now, you can get our one-on-one business consultation call for just 1,499 pesos only. Yes po, 1,499 pesos only. And this will be only available right now pag mag-take action ka. So, para makapag-take action ka, click mo lang yung button sa baba. Then, ilagay mo yung name mo, email address mo, contact number mo, and you can process your payment automatically. Okay po? So now, the moment that you process it, we'll be guiding you with the next step and you can schedule na your one-on-one call with us. Now, madedetect po kasi ng system namin to the moment that you close it or di kaya bumalik ka lang dito, hindi na po natin mabibigay sa'yo yung slot na to. Because our regular price for this is at 4,990. So if you're seeing this at 1,499 right now, take advantage of this. Kasi po, ano po yung value pag ikaw magkakaroon ka ng action plan for your business that would set you up to earn consistent 6 digits every month? Priceless po yun, di ba? Yung makapag-automate ka ng negosyo mo, hindi mo na kailangan ng hula at hindi mo na poproblemahin paano ka nga ba magkaroon ng prospect, invite, mapapresentan sa negosyo mo. It could save you time, trial and error, and this would give you the breakthrough that you need for your network marketing business. Guaranteed basta mag-take action ka lang. Kasi I've seen so many results sa mga tao nag-take action. Pero if you're someone na hindi ka naman nag-take action, tamad ka, hindi ka nag-invest for yourself, you don't invest in marketing, you don't want to grow your business, then don't waste your time. This is not for you. Okay? So yun lang po. Click the button below to secure your slot. I'm excited to see you inside our one-on-one book a call. Take advantage of this opportunity. This will be closing at any moment. This will increase at any moment back to our regular price. So click the button below. And excited ako na makausap ka in order for you to have clarity and clear roadmap for your business para ma-achieve mo yung dream na lifestyle mo, resulta mo sa negosyo mo. So this is Coach Mabel, and again, God bless you. See you inside our business consultation call.